Who is a prison escapee? There is someone in the picture who escaped from prison, and it's up to you to find him. Do you see who it is? I'm warning you, it's a fairly difficult test. Only one person in 17 manages to find the answer in less than 20 seconds. It's all in the details. Carefully observe each of them and comment your answer. I start the timer. Your turn. Look at the seller, he is very shady. He wears a wig to hide his identity, plus he has handcuffs on his arm. So he's the prison escapee. Congratulations to you if you found the answer. If not, don't worry. There will be other riddles for you. Subscribe for more riddles.